ReluxCAD for Revit. Clicking on the emergency mode icon will display the emergency lighting planning tools. Creating emergency lighting measurement areas has never been easier with the tools in the Emergency Objects panel. Create anti-panic areas for the entire room by selecting an area or using the available drawing elements. Place escape routes and high risk freely. In ReluxNet, you will find numerous emergency luminaires for direct use in your planning. Use the corresponding filter for different areas of application. Even classic luminaires can be operated in emergency lighting mode to some extent. Therefore, the data for emergency lighting operation can be manually adjusted for luminaires from ReluxNet and custom luminaires. Before placing the emergency luminaires, it is necessary to configure them by selecting the type of use they will have. Further adjustments regarding the procentual luminous flux factor can be defined. In order to quickly find the right model in the loaded luminaires, the luminaire browser can be filtered according to luminaires with photometric data, or luminaires with emergency lighting information. The emergency luminaires can be individually activated or deactivated for emergency lighting operation with the tool on, off. The emergency light icon signals the status. The emergency lighting calculation can be carried out for individual rooms, or several rooms at the same time. The results of the individual measurement areas can be displayed with the boundary lines function. This allows you to see at a glance whether the target values have been reached or not. Alternatively, the false color display can be used to show the results in more detail. The room tag shows the calculation results for the entire room. A complete overview of the results is provided by the room management. To identify escape routes, placed luminaires can be provided with emergency signs. This can be done individually for each luminaire. ReluxCAD for Revit offers various predefined templates for the outputs. The luminaire schedule list shows all emergency luminaires used in the project. The calculation results of all the rooms can be found in the results schedule. Additionally, the calculation area schedule includes all emergency lighting measurement areas grouped by room. By selecting the Result View option, the active floor plan with all measurement areas will be displayed. Finally, clicking on the Results Sheet option will display a predefined print layout summarizing the result of the project.